Teen weather.
Hurricane Helene strengthening at this hour. The pressure now down to 974 millibars. The wind holding steady at 85, but that's going to start to increase as well over the next few hours. In fact, by 10 o'clock, it may be greater than 90 miles per hour as deep tropical thunderstorms are beginning to wrap around that developing eye. It's a little bit rugged looking right now, but you can see all that heavy thunderstorm activity, the bright purples and what almost looks like mountaintops right there off of the Yucatan Peninsula. Once this begins to get up here on the north side of it, it's going to be off to the races with a rapidly strengthening storm. There is some model guidance that suggests not only would this be a Category 4, but it could be a higher end Category 4 storm approaching Florida's Gulf Coast late tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. The lines here represent different forecast model ideas, and the painted on colors here represent one particular model that I think is doing a pretty good job of showing how big the wind field is. So I don't want you to look at this and think that's exactly how it's going to be on radar tomorrow or what that'll look like, but this is a good representation of where it's going and how big it's going to be. By the time it makes landfall around 7 to 8 o'clock Central Time tomorrow, storm surge up to 20 feet in Apalachee Bay. Could be a catastrophic kind of situation there. The high wind starts to move up into Georgia, and look at this. We get strong gusty winds east Alabama early Friday morning. There very well could be a ground stop at Hartsfield-Jackson Airport at some point Thursday night or Friday because of high crosswinds over 40 miles per hour at the airport. That's something to keep in mind if you're traveling. This could cause region-wide and nationwide problems if they have to do a ground stop there in Atlanta. In Birmingham, we're not looking at really bad conditions here in the central part of the state. It will be a breezy day and it will be quite wet, but by 1 o'clock Friday afternoon, the heaviest rain clearly over here in the eastern side of the state, potentially about a 3 to 5 inch stripe that develops there in Cherokee County, Etowah County, Calhoun County, Cleburne County. Think Highway 431 and east of there. That's where the heaviest rain and the strongest winds are likely. That's why there's a tropical storm warning up for Cherokee County and for Cleburne County, Randolph and Chambers and Lee counties. 60s tonight, 70s tomorrow. Heavy rain starts developing over East Alabama in the afternoon. For Birmingham, Jasper, Tuscaloosa, Demopolis, Cullman, we're not dealing with much tomorrow morning, maybe a few spotty showers, but then in comes the rain from Helene moving from Georgia into Alabama. So as you start to watch the radar, and you can see it on the WVTM 13 app, tomorrow evening, these heavier rain bands are going to start moving in this direction. That means it's Thursday evening, Thursday night, when the heavier showers start to get toward us. There comes the core of Helene. You got really heavy rain and gusty winds over northeast Alabama through the day on Friday, but in Birmingham and Tuscaloosa, we're just rainy and breezy Thursday. Rain tapers off on Friday. Some spotty showers are left over going into the weekend, and we'll stay warm and a bit drier into the first part of next week. You're watching WVTM 13 News.